are isolated. You can't have any interaction with them whatsoever. I'm insisting, please, to the teachers. If you have any interaction with them, they are disqualified from being substituted. All right. So for the duration of the contest, they will be...
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja. Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
The contest is being streamed live on our social media pages, YouTube and Facebook. And so please, if you want to come to us, go behind the camera and come pick your form for me. Again, like I explained, in the final round, the riddles round, the 3-second rule also applies there. If a school rings, they would have 3 seconds to begin an answer. If they don't, they will miss out on the opportunity to answer. Here, no deduction of points, but then they will just miss out on the opportunity to answer. All right. We'll begin the contest shortly, but like I began with, please, let's do the applause and jubilations in moderation so the contest can run smoothly. All right? Thank you very much, and let's have a good contest.
Hello. 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 Is here okay? Oh, she many questions, sir. I don't expect it. No, I'm a so-called ambiguity, Jane. I welcome you to the 2025 Gaul Regional Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Today, we bring you the first contest from the Ashanti region. This contest is featuring Kumasi Academy, Agona Senior High Technical School, Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School, and Armed Forces Senior High Technical School, Kumasi. Let us meet our gallant contestants. Kumasi Academy is represented by
Jabin Kwame Jabba
and
Buampon Jeffrey.
Jabin and Jeffrey. You are welcome. What are you expecting from this contest?
Victory.
Victory too. All the best to you. Agona Senior High Technical School is represented by
Upuku Isaac
and
Osei Kyeretwie.
a champion and Isaac. What do you look forward to at the end of the contest?
expect nothing but the best.
I wish you the best. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School is represented by
Nsmq entry.
and
Osei Jude.
Jude and Annie. What are you looking forward to?
Okay, so the battle is for the Lord. We surrender everything to the Lord, and we know that at the end, victory will be ours.
Amen. Armed Forces Senior High Technical School, Kumasi, is represented by
Who's for this one?
and Hayford and Ohineji. What do you hope to achieve at the end of the contest?
Yeah, we thank the Lord for how far He has brought us, and we pray that He continue to guide us by His mercies and His grace. Thank you.
All the best to you. We have met our contestants, and we wish them all the best. The Gold Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Gold PLC, with support from Momo, from MTN, and Joy News. We say a big thank you to Charles for preparing our brilliant contestants here for this competition. My name is Dr. Gladys Odeshringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Contestants, in this contest, we have 4 rounds. Each round has its rules. But in each round, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations, and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. Should you be asked to repeat an answer, do repeat. Don't change. In round 1, each school will get a question. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, or you don't answer, and the bell goes out on you, another school may then ring the bell to answer correctly for a bonus point, or lose a point when they are wrong. If you ring the bell for a bonus, before a school's answer is declared wrong, you won't get the opportunity to give an answer for a bonus. I wish you all the best. We start with our first round, and we'll start with Kumasi Academy. There's a preamble to all schools. So we start round 1. The preamble reads, find the scalar potential on the surface of a conducting sphere of the given radius r and charge q. Find the scalar potential on the surface of a conducting sphere of the given radius r and charge q. Kumasi Academy. R equals 0.20 meter and Q equals 8.0 nanocoulomb. Go ahead, Jabin.
360 volts.
Correct. Agona Senior High Technical School. R equals 0.25 meter and Q equals negative 5.0 nanocoulomb.
180 votes.
Incorrect. Kumasi Academy for a bonus.
Negative 180 votes.
Correct. Osei Kyeretwie. May I have some silence, please, audience? Osei Kyeretwie. R equals 0.30 meter and Q equals negative 4.0 nanocoulomb. Yes,
Negative 120 votes.
Correct. Armed forces. R equals 0.15 meter and Q equals 7.0 nanocoulomb.
We have 420 votes.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Find the common ratio of an exponential sequence with successive terms. Find the common ratio of an exponential sequence with successive terms. Kumasi Academy. X minus 1, x plus 3, x plus 9. Go ahead, Jeffrey.
3 on 2.
That is correct. Agona Senior High Technical School. Agona, x plus 1. Please allow my contestants to hear their question. Thank you. X plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 6. A champion.
10 on 9.
Incorrect. Kumasi Academy for a bonus.
4 on 3.
Correct. Osei Kyeretwie. Kumasi Academy. Please, don't make me walk you out. Osei Kyeretwie. X plus 1, x plus 4.
Three.
Any? 3 is correct. Armed Forces Senior High Technical School. X minus 2, X plus 1, X plus 7.
We have 2.
Correct. Kumasi Academy. Name the driving force for the ascension of water in the xylem. Jeffrey.
Transpirational pool.
Incorrect. It is negative pressure potential. Agona Senior High Technical School. What process creates this negative pressure? It is transpiration. Osei Kyeretwie, name the force that holds water column in the xylem.
Okay, so we have capillary action.
No. It is cohesion. Armed forces. Name the driving force that pulls water into the root cells.
Water potential.
Incorrect. It is also negative pressure potential. Preamble to all schools. Identify the given element as a main group metal, transition metal, metalloid, or transuranium element. Identify the given element as a main group metal, transition metal, metalloid, or transuranium element. Kumasi Academy. Boron. Go ahead, Jeffrey.
Metalloid.
Correct. Agona Senior High Technical. Francium. Yes, Isaac.
Transuranium element.
Incorrect. Osei Kyeretwie.
Main group element.
Correct. Osei Kyeretwie. Chromium.
Transition metal.
Correct. Armed forces. Americium.
Transuranium element.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. An object slides down a smooth plane inclined at 45 degrees to the horizontal from the given height above the bottom of the plane. Find the speed of the object at the bottom of the plane. Preamble again. An object slides down a smooth plane inclined at 45 degrees to the horizontal from the given height above the bottom of the plane. Find the speed of the object at the bottom of the plane. Kumasi Academy, 4.9 meters. Yes, Jabeng.
Okay. It is 9.1 meters per second.
Incorrect.
$7.0 meters.
I didn't call any school. No school has rang after I declared. Agona, 0.10 meter. Go ahead, Isaac.
1.0 meter per second.
Incorrect. Yes, go ahead, Osei Kyeretwie.
1.4 meter per second.
Correct. Osei Kyeretwie, 1.6 meters.
$5.6 meters per second.
Correct. Armed forces. Armed forces, 3.6 meters.
So we have 4.2 meters per second.
Incorrect. Kumasi Academy.
8.5 meters per second.
Incorrect. So Kumasi Academy, your answer should have been 9.8 meters per second, and Armed Forces, your answer 8.4 meters per second. Preamble to all schools. Find the solution set of the inequality. Find the solution set of the inequality. Kumasi Academy. The expression x minus 1 multiplying the expression x minus 2 less than 6. Yes, Kumasi Academy.
A set of x such that -1 less than x less than 4.
Correct. Agona Senior High Technical School. The expression x plus 3 multiplying the expression x minus 2 less than 14. Yes. Isaac.
The set x such that -5 less than x less than 4.
Correct. Osei Kyeretwie. The expression x minus 5 multiplying the expression x plus 3 is less than 9.
A set of x is such that -4 less than x less than 6.
Correct. Armed forces. The expression x plus 5 multiplying the expression x minus 7 less than 13.
A set of x such that -6 less than x less than 8.
Correct. Kumasi Academy. How many codons are there in the genetic code? Yes, Jabin.
64.
Correct. Agona Senior High Technical School. How many bases and nucleotides are there in each codon? Isaac.
4 bases and 4 nucleotides.
Incorrect. Armed forces.
3.
Correct. Osei Kyeretwie, name one signal specified by a codon. Any.
Because we have amino acid.
Incorrect. It's either start or stop. Armed forces. Apart from the stop and start signals, what else does a codon specify?
Amino acid.
Correct. Kumasi Academy. The half-life of a radionuclide, is 2.6 hours. What amount of 17.6 grams of the radionuclide will remain after 15.6 hours? Go ahead, Jaban.
Okay.
For a bonus, Osei Kyeretwie
2.8 by
Osei Kyeretwie
10.
is for a bonus. You are taking too long. It's wrong. Agona Senior High. A 240-gram sample decays to 3.75 grams after a certain period. If the half-life is 2.80 hours, how long did the decay take? Go ahead, Isaac.
16.
For a bonus, Osei Kyeretwie. Come again. Incorrect.
240.
Osei Kyeretwie. A sample decays from 128 grams to 2.0 grams in 21 hours. What is the half-life of the isotope?
Three 0.5 hours.
Correct. Armed forces. After 25 hours, a radioactive sample has decayed to 0.25 grams. 0.25 gram. What was the initial mass if its half-life is 5 hours?
Eight grams.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Kumasi Academy. Your answer should have been 0.275 grams or gram. Agona, 16.8 hours. Armed Forces, you lost a point because you got the significant figures wrong. 8.0 grams. That's the end of the first round. 2 challenges, one from Kumasi Academy and one from Osei Kyeretwie. Kumasi Academy is saying that transpirational pool is the same as negative pressure potential. No, please. The transpirational pool is caused by the negative pressure potential, which is the force. So is the force that causes the transpirational pool is the negative pressure potential. Then, Osei Kyeretwie, you are saying there are 2 significant figures. Your answer should be to 2 significant figures. No. It is not to 2 significant figures. The correct answer is to 3 significant figures, and let me explain why. There were 2 figures given. One was 270, and then, so that was physics. Okay. Was it physics or chemistry? Chemistry. Okay. So chemistry, you had 240 grams and 3.75 grams. With 240 grams, because you had 3.7, the 240 grams by the 3.75, your correct answer, you were getting it for a bonus. No, for a bonus, no. For a bonus, no. So it's 16.8 grams.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja. Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
Hello. Okay, so we have challenges here. We have challenges here. Armed Forces is saying we have 5 hours in the question, which is just one significant figure. So they insist the answer should be to one significant figure. I'm giving to them. Now, Kumasi Academy. Kumasi Academy has brought the same challenge twice, and they are saying negative pressure gradient is caused by transpirational pool, and the transpirational pool causes the negative pressure gradient. However, therefore, transpirational pool is the process which creates the negative pressure gradient. I did not ask for the process. I asked for the force. You yourself have said that transpirational pool is the process. And my question is, name the driving force. So it's the negative pressure potential that I was looking for, not transpirational pool. Because the second question was, what process creates this negative pressure? And that one is transpiration. So that is sorted. Then Osei Kyeretwie gave the 17 hours for 16.8 that what I was expecting. Consultant has accepted. So at the end of the first round, Agona Senior High Technical School had 3 points. Kumasi Academy had 16 points. Armed Forces Senior High Technical School, Kumasi had 19 points. And Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School had 20 points. So we start our second round. This is the speed race. Your speed would count here because each question comes to all schools and you take turns at answering. If you are the first school to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. Second school to answer correctly, you earn 2 points. Third school to answer correctly, 1 point. Fourth school, 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. In this round, you can stop me at any time by ringing the bell. Once you ring the bell and I call you, you have 3 seconds within which to give an answer, to start giving an answer. If you don't, a bell will go out on you and your answer will be considered wrongly given. If you start and you are still working out, and I see you are still working out, I'll move on if there is a next school. If not, I'll just stop you and wait for the next school to ring the bell. Be ready with your answer before you ring the bell. Just by ringing the bell, you have cost another school a point. So make sure you have the answer ready. I wish you the best. Speed race. Give the wavelength corresponding to the most energetic photon in the Balmer series of hydrogen spectral lines. Yes, Agona.
656 nanometers.
Incorrect. It is 365 nanometers. Find the final temperature after mixing 25 grams of a liquid at 72 degrees Celsius and 75 grams of the same liquid at 64 degrees Celsius in a well-lagged vessel. Kumasi Academy.
66 degrees Celsius.
Correct. Find the work done. Find the work done by an ideal gas in a process in which it absorbs 800 joules of heat and its internal energy decreases by 100. Yes, Kumasi Academy.
700 joules.
Incorrect. 100 joules. Yes, Osei Kyeretwie.
Negative 700 joules.
Incorrect. The answer is 900 joules. Solve for x, given log base 3 of x equals 4 log base x of 3. Yes, Osei Kyeretwie.
X is equal to 9, or x is equal to, x is 9.
No, that's incorrect. Who was second to ring? Kumasi Academy.
X is 9.
Incorrect. X equals 9 and 1 over 9. Find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the curve x squared over 4 plus y squared over 9 equals 1 with the x and y axis. Yes, Kumasi Academy.
0,3, 0, -3, 2, 0, -2, 0.
Correct. The numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are arranged randomly in a line. Find the probability the even numbers are at the ends. The answer is 1/10. Name the matrix of blood. Yes, Kumasi Academy.
Blood plasma.
Plasma is correct. What makes cartilage softer than bone? Is a rich protein matrix. What type of fertilization is present in the cartilaginous fish? Yes, armed forces.
Internal fertilization.
Come again.
Internal fertilization.
Incorrect.
External fertilization.
I didn't call you. Which school had rank? 1. Kumasi Academy.
External fertilization.
Correct. Calculate the mass of 1 mole. Calculate the mass of 1 mole of the compound NH4 into bracket subscript 2 PbCl6. Pb equals 207. Yes, Osei Kyeretwie. It was 1. Kumasi Academy.
456 grams.
Correct. Calculate the percentage. One, 2, 3. Calculate the percentage by mass of oxygen in nitric acid. Kumasi Academy.
76%.
Correct. Identify the class. Identify the class of organic compounds containing no identifiable function. Yes, Kumasi Academy.
Alkane.
Correct. That's the end of round 2.
Brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja. Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
It is not me. The mic, this. Audience, your contestants up here are complaining they are not hearing the questions. There are two speakers up here to help them hear, but with the amount of noise you are making, they won't be hearing much, and it will go against you, the schools. So please, from here on, from now onwards, any school that makes too much noise, I'll sack you. I'm not going to consider any school again. If you disturb me and my contestants up here, I'll sack you. Now, I think it was Kumasi Academy. Kumasi Academy. I finally got through to the consultant. He's considerate, so he says, I should give the transpirational pool to you. And then, Armed Forces, sorry, you got the internal fertilization. So, you got it. I was wondering myself, we had a typo, but we needed to finish. So, at the end of round 2, Agona Senior High Technical School had 2 points. Armed Forces Senior High Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School had 18 points. Armed Forces Senior High Technical School had 22 points. And Kumasi Academy had 35 points. 2 schools would like to make changes. So Armed Forces Senior High Technical School is bringing in Kweku Eshan Lois for Israel Hayford to go out, and for Kumasi Academy, Opoku Manasseh Owusu Ajeman is coming in for Boampong Jeffrey. Thank you for being with us, Hayford. And Jeffrey, you are welcome, Lois and Manasseh. Okay. We are in our 3rd round. In this round, each school gets a statement. You answer correctly for 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. If you choose not to answer, bell will go out on you. Another school may then ring to answer correctly for the 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. So we start with our 3rd round. There's a preamble to this first set which reads, an object lies at rest on a stationary horizontal plank of negligible weight which lies on the surface of a table. An object lies at rest on a stationary horizontal plank of negligible weight which lies on the surface of a table. Kumasi Academy. The weight of the object and the force the object exerts on the plank are equal.
Is a true statement.
Correct. Agona, because the plank has negligible weight, it does not exert any force on the object. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. Osei Kyeretwie, the force exerted by the table on the plank and the force the object exerts on the plank constitute an action-reaction pair.
True.
Come again.
True.
Incorrect. Armed forces. Action and reaction force pairs do not exist in the given configuration.
False.
Correct. This set, 10 seconds. Preamble to all schools. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if. Kumasi Academy. A pair of opposite sides are parallel and congruent.
True.
Correct. Agona Senior High Technical. A pair of opposite angles are congruent.
True.
Incorrect. Osei Kyeretwie, the diagonals bisect each other.
False.
Incorrect. Armed forces. A pair of adjacent angles are supplementary.
False.
Correct. Kumasi Academy. Amphibians usually have aquatic eggs.
True.
Correct. Agona, amphibians lose their gills. Go ahead. Correct. Osei Kyeretwie, amphibians have thick skin.
False.
Correct. Armed forces, amphibians can live anywhere.
False.
Correct. Kumasi Academy. Litmus turns red in acidic solutions and blue in alkaline solutions.
True.
Correct. Agona, phenolphthalein changes color in the pH range of about 4.2 to 9.0. Go ahead.
False.
Isaac. Correct. Osei Kyeretwie, phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic solutions and pink in basic solutions.
True.
Correct. Armed forces. Methyl orange turns yellow in basic solutions and red in acidic solutions.
True.
Correct. Kumasi Academy. The refractive index of the core of an optical fiber is slightly greater than that of the cladding.
True.
Correct. Agona, for a given optical fiber, there exists a minimum bend radius, below which substantial attenuation occurs. Yes, Isaac.
False.
Incorrect. Osei Kyeretwie. If a given optical fiber is single mode at one wavelength, then it is single mode at all wavelengths.
True.
Incorrect. Armed forces. Perturbations on the cladding of a single mode Gentlemen, out. Perturbations on the cladding of a single mode optical fiber can affect light wave propagation characteristics in the core, armed forces.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. Preamble to all schools. The pair of lines are either perpendicular or parallel. The pair of lines are either perpendicular or parallel. Kumasi Academy. 2x minus 7y equals 5, and 7x minus 2y equals 10.
False.
Correct. Agona, 5x plus y equals 10, and x over 2 plus y over 10 equals 5. Your hand was up. Give me your...
True.
Correct. Osei Kyeretwie, 3x plus 5y equals 10, and 5x minus 3y equals 15.
True.
Correct. Armed forces. X over 4 minus y over 7 equals 1, and 7x minus 4y equals 10.
True.
Correct. Birds have airbags. Kumasi Academy.
True.
Incorrect. Agona, birds have sirens at the posterior end of their lungs. Isaac.
True.
Incorrect. Osei Kyeretwie, birds have posterior air sacs. Incorrect. Armed forces, birds have trachea.
True.
Correct. Kumasi Academy. Electrons flow from the cathode to the anode through the electrolyte in a galvanic cell.
False.
Correct. Agona, electrolytic cells always require energy input for a reaction to occur. Isaac?
False.
Incorrect. Osei Kyeretwie, the more positive the standard reduction potential of a species, the greater its tendency to be oxidized. Yes, Jude.
False.
Correct. Armed forces. A salt bridge allows the migration of electrons between two half cells to complete the circuit.
False.
Correct. And that's the end of the third round.
Feel Goyle, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
Agona Senior High Technical School had 6 points. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School had 22 points. Armed Forces Senior High Technical School had 35 points. And Kumasi Academy had 48 points. Contestants, this is the fourth and final round. In this round, I have 4 riddles for you to solve. I'll give you clues to help you solve the riddle. You may take turns in solving the riddle. If you are the first, you don't earn extra points for being the first, second, or third. But as soon as you are ready with your solution, you ring the bell to alert me. If you are able to solve the riddle on the first clue, you earn 5 points. Second clue, you earn 4 points. Third, to the very last, you earn 3 points. If you ring the bell and you give your answer that is not correct, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle till the next. I wish you all the best. Riddle, riddle. I am a physical constant. I have such a small value I escaped notice until the modern era of physics. I'm the unit of angular momentum for elementary particles. Yes, Agona.
Planck's constant.
Planck constant is correct. I am a 3-digit number. My digits are 2 distinct squares and a cube. I am an odd number. My first digit is a cube. Yes, Kumasi Academy.
849.
Come again.
849.
Correct. I am a character shared by all vertebrates. I mostly extend the length of the body. I'm either restricted to the early developmental stages. Yes, Kumasi Academy.
No toe cord.
That is correct. So, before I give the very last riddle, let me give you some good news. So we have the Go Riddle Bonanza in this contest. And it's rewarding the school that solves 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, when you solve 3 riddles correctly, the team will earn 200 cedis. And if you solve all 4 riddles, you earn 400 cedis. The Go Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Go PLC, Go, Good Energy. I hope that is enough motivation for the last riddle. So our last riddle. I am an essential element. I absorb high energy ultraviolet radiation. I am relatively inert in my elemental form. I am present in all amino acids. I make up approximately 78%. Yes.
Nitrogen.
Kumasi Academy.
Nitrogen.
That is correct. That is the end of the contest. Our contest has ended. And these are the scores. Agona Senior High Technical School ended the contest with 9 points. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School ended with 22 points. Armed Forces Senior High Technical School, Kumasi, ended the contest with 35 points. So Agona Senior High Technical School, Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School, and Armed Forces Senior High Technical School, unfortunately, we have to bid you farewell from the competition from here. We wish you the best in the nationals. Congratulations to you, Kumasi Academy. You won the contest with 57 points. So thank you all for joining us for the 2025 Go PLC Regional Championship from the Ashanti region. Do join us in our next contest. The Go Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Go with support from Momo, from MTN, and Joy News. So Kumasi Academy, you have qualified for the next stage of the Regional Championship. I wish you the best. My name is Dr. Gladys Odeshwinga, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Bye for now.